If you're looking to send freelance proposals faster without losing quality, using templates is the way to go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use templates to speed up your proposal process and send more pitches in less time. So here's the deal. Creating the perfect freelance proposal takes time, but templates, they save you tons of it. With templates, you can create a solid proposal framework that you only need to tweak for each client. It's all about having a repeatable structure that's personalized for the project without reinventing the wheel every time. Let's jump right into it. First, you need a reliable tool to store and manage your templates. I've tested all the popular options out there, but for this tutorial, we'll be using a powerful software that's perfect for this task. You'll find an exclusive free trial link to this software in the description below, just for viewers of this channel, so stick around till the end if you want to follow along. Now, once you've got your software ready, let's create your first template. The key is to structure your template in a way that covers the essential parts of your proposal while leaving room for customization. Think about things like an introduction, your scope of work, your pricing model, and what makes you the right choice. You can always adjust a few sentences, but the core structure should be the same each time. The next step is to create variations of your templates. This is key because each client and project is different. If you're working with a startup, your proposal might be shorter and more straightforward. For a bigger company or complex project, you might want to go into more detail. You can tweak the tone or level of detail in the templates as needed, but always stick to a format that works. Here's where the magic happens. Automation. Using our software, you can quickly insert your pre-written templates, add client-specific details, and send it off. The software we'll be using allows you to set up custom fields to make this even quicker. Think project name, client name, deadlines, and more. Instead of copying and pasting, you just plug in the variables and you're good to go. By using templates, you're saving time on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on client relationships and closing deals. It's also great for maintaining consistency across all your proposals. You don't want to miss anything important, and with templates, you're less likely to forget anything. To wrap it up, here's the key takeaway. Templates are all about efficiency and consistency. They allow you to send faster freelance proposals while ensuring that you don't miss important details. Set up your core structure, add variations based on the client, and use automation to save even more time. If you're ready to take this to the next level, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's a great tool that can make your proposal process even faster. So go ahead, start creating your templates and boost your freelance productivity today.